From Tosh Tires. I've got a BMW 7 Series. It's on a 17 plate. 17 plate, sorry. I just did a rear brake pads on this. I've done the reset already, but just going to show you how it's done. All you do is switch the ignition on. It's quiet. That's it. So you got to press a few times to switch it on, and then press and hold this button for say 10 seconds. Right, okay, so now on the right hand side, as you can see, we had a system check come up, but we don't want to do that. We want to do a service reset. So you press and hold again for 10 seconds. Right now here, you got the engine oil, which is 2020. You press that again. Vehicle check, you don't need to do that. Yeah, brake fluid change, which is due in 2019, so we don't have to do that. Engine oil, not due yet. Vehicle check is not due yet. Right, the brake pads I've already done, so it's not coming up. But if it is in red, all you do then is, whichever one's showing, you press and hold the button. It will say perform reset. Press and hold the button again, and then it resets itself. And then press and hold button again, which is this one here. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. Once you've done all of that, just switch the ignition off, and job done. But you can start her up and just see. So it says service due only now. That's all it is. Any more information on this car, please do let us know, and we'll try to help you as much as we can. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.